Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure MLflow tracking with Databricks experiments step by step clearly. Open your Databricks workspace. Create a new notebook by clicking on the Create button and selecting Notebook. Name your notebook appropriately, for example, MLflow Tracking Setup. Select the default language as Python. Begin by installing the MLflow library if it is not already installed. Use the command pip install MLflow to install it directly in the notebook. Next, import the necessary libraries. Import MLflow by typing import MLflow. Now, set the MLflow tracking URI to point to the Databricks tracker. Use the command mlflow.set_tracking_URI, Databricks. Next, create an experiment to track your runs. Use the command mlflow.create_experiment, my_experiment_name. Make sure to replace my_experiment_name with a relevant name for your experiment. Now, begin a new MLflow run to log your parameters, metrics, and models. Use the command with mlflow.start_run to initiate a run block. Within the run block, log parameters that you want to track. Use the command mlflow.log_param, param_name, param_value for each parameter. Replace param_name and param_value with actual parameter names and values. You can also log metrics within the same run block. Use mlflow.log_metric, metric_name, metric_value to log your metrics. Replace metric_name and metric_value with actual metrics you want to track. Optionally, log your model if you are training one. Use mlflow.sklearn.log_model, model_name to save your model. Replace model and model_name with your actual model variable and a name for it. Once you finish logging all necessary data, exit the MLflow run block. After completing the setup, navigate to the MLflow UI in Databricks. You can view your logged experiments and runs by selecting the Experiments tab. From here, you can analyze the logs, compare metrics, and manage your models. Ensure you conduct runs to test your tracking configuration. Monitor the logs to confirm that data is being captured correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.